Healthy.
Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, in my last video, I remember I explained you about the brief introduction of Earth from chapter Geography of the World. And today, it's time for the next part, means next point, that is 3.2. We are going to explain distribution of the continent and ocean. Okay, so let us see what this distribution of continent and ocean teaches. According to the continental drift theory, in the early stage, that is about 300 million years ago, okay, the time for Permian period of Paleozoic era, the Earth lithosphere was together as a single mass, which was surrounded by hydrosphere. So, according to the continental drift theory, now continental drift theory means what? The theory which explains the position of Earth, okay, the position of continent or the land surface on the Earth in 1912 by what? Andrew Wenger. Okay, Andrew Wenger was a geologist and he explained the position of what? The continent or the land area on the Earth. Okay, so this is continental drift theory, and according to this theory, 300 million years ago, okay, 300 million years ago, at a time of Permian Paleozoic era. Permian Paleozoic era means the period about when the dinosaurs were there. It is believed that, okay, when the dinosaurs were there. So at that time, according to this theory, at that time, landmass and water body. Okay, what we see in our map today at the modern time, we see the separation of landmass in different parts. But it is believed, according to this theory, that earlier time the landmass was single like this. Okay, and the water body or the water surface surround it from all sides. It was not like present time. It was a single landmass and the water surface surround it in this way. Okay. After a time pass, okay, a narrow elongated sea was formed. Okay, a narrow elongated sea. Okay, a sea was formed. Now after a time passed, what happened? A sea was formed from east and west direction, not from there to this. Okay, elongated means a straight sea. So a straight sea formed here. This sea is named as Tathias. Okay, this sea is called Tathias, and the formation of Tathias Sea bring a new shape of this landmass. Okay, this was divided into two parts, north and south part, northern and southern part. So student, the northern part, okay, then the northern part is called Angara land or Laurasia, and the southern part is known as what? Gondwana land. So these two name was being formed after the formation of Tathiasis. Earlier it was not like that. Earlier it is believed that it was a single landmass. During the Mesozoic era, that is about 250 million years ago, due to the splitting and continental drift, the Laurasia and Gondwana go further divided and moves toward the equator. So, during Mesozoic era, means just after what? Permian period, a new period comes, that is Mesozoic era. From the time it is 250 million years ago we are talking about. So during this period, during this Mesozoic era, the northern and southern part land which was divided by the formation of the Triasis, it goes beyond the equator of the landmass, or you can say the earth with the earth, we can say, okay, the whole earth. So it goes up to the equator. So, according to the theory of continental drift, North America, Greenland, and a landmass of Europe and Asia north of India subcontinent were formed after the division of Laurasia. On the other hand, following division of Gondwana land, South America, Africa, Madagascar, India, Arabian region, Malaysia and its other island, Australia, Antarctica, etc. were formed. So according to the theory of continental drift, when landmass was divided into two parts, okay, these countries are formed. Clear all of you? Yes. A large portion of the Earth's surface covered by the oceans and seas, including rivers, lakes, etc., is known as hydrosphere, what we know, and the land surface is known as lithosphere. Let me mention you that both this lithosphere and hydrosphere of the Earth are not forming a separate cluster. Means, what do you feel? Earth, land surface, and water surface are different from each other? No, they are interconnected with each other, but they have a small land difference. Okay, above the water surface, just few above the surface, we have a land surface. So it is penetrating with a fragmentation units, we can say. Now, let me say you that, okay, this lithosphere having surrounded by water from all sides remain divided into four divisions. Okay, lithosphere, continental part means land part is divided into four parts. What are the four parts? First part is what? Asia, Europe and Africa. Second part is North America and South America. Third part is Australia. Okay, and fourth part is your Antarctica. So on the other hand, the continent, the Pacific is located between Asia, North America and South America. Atlantic is located between North America and South America, and Europe and Africa. So here it is said that Pacific Ocean, which is located between Asia and North America and South America, then Atlantic is located between North America and South America and Europe and Africa. The Indian Ocean is located on the south of east of Asia, and Africa west of Oceania. So there we are going to know about the location of the ocean between the countries, or between the continents. It may be mentioned that a large portion of hydrosphere, that is 57%, is confined to the southern hemisphere, and on the other hand 67% is confined to the northern hemisphere. That's why it is said that number of population of the earth live in northern hemisphere. Okay, 67% of lithosphere is confined to the northern hemisphere. Okay, so to the northern hemisphere 67% people lives. Okay, means the population live here mostly. So this is the distribution of continent and ocean, what I have explained you, student. I hope you understand it, and I would like to say you that go on with your education or with your study, so that you may not face problem after the school reopen. So stay home, stay safe, and continue with your study. With this, I like to stop today's my class. So have a nice day and thank you.